You know, those are the things that you always wonder, can who's a fighter that comes forward deal with. Donaire's
general, it'll be interesting to see if he gets right to it here. Darchinian does not hit hard, and you can see the punches coming. Darchinian's response, he was toying with Glenn that night, didn't punch as hard as he usually does. Big left uppercut attempt there by Donaire, that missed.
Two things have happened. The right hand is landing for Donaire, but the left is landing by the power already.
And a wild swing and a miss with the left by being tested right out of the gate here.
First half of round one, he's been hit more than we've seen in all the fights, and he's getting whacked by Donaire.
He just got hit. That was a shove. He just got hit by a left that comes out blazing here midway through the first round.
Now the danger in all this is Donaire better not a puncher, even though a powerful one.
Donaire back. Donaire has skills, no question, and he can handle pressure. He's got a lot of amateur experience.
One of the ones was land the right.
Which is the correct thing to do, and another one. Section, but that was blocked by Chinian's uppercut, but that straight left can really wear you down. Boy, Donaire kind of buckled there. 28-0 with 22 knockouts.
He is a left-handed puncher. Tries to throw the right hook and the right uppercut a little more.
The left hand. So he'll try to surprise him with the right. There it is, right there on cue.
You know what I'm surprised at? And it's a good weapon.
Oh, left hand.
It's a southpaw. Donaire not known in fights since.
Oh, Darchinian got nailed and then he came back. Here's a right hand, a miss by the
fight. But boy, he could make it too interesting for himself. Of those Darchinian big punches.
Donaire has to be a key moves of Vic Darchinian. To the IBF flyweight crown.
Well, you know, the interesting thing about this, I don't know if he's winning it, but it's been better.
Well, he has been highly combustible later on. Trying to push Donaire back, Darchinian, but Donaire standing his ground, developing into an interesting affair.
And you know, round two, I have to call him because of his good set. He did come back very well, and now body work by Donaire. Darchinian's finding the range with the...
You can see the difference when he straightens out those lefts, the power is... Now Darchinian going that one punch to end it.
Steve, they changed. They can't happen yet to Nonito Donaire, but there's a good left.
Oftentimes, it's difficult to stay outside against Darchinian. You have to sort of get in his chest.
Now to Donaire's there with that punch. Darchinian, and you saw Darchinian react.
Big straight left hand. Oh, there's a good left hand that staggered Darchinian. Remember, he's never been hurt or dropped in his career. Donaire sensing the moment. Darchinian battles back. Donaire marching forward. Pacing, it's another hard left hand situation. Round 4 scheduled for 12. Undefeated record at stake as well.
You know, here to see his fight, only the second time he's seen his son fight as a pro.
Tense moments for Ruben Darchinian.
Yeah, and he and Vic have a
world champion, Jeff Fennick.
You know, it's happened, but when he does, go Vic Darchinian right now. Darchinian's able to get that left in when he's
swollen on Darchinian right now, missing wildly with the moment. It appears as if Donaire is letting. Now, that left hand by Darchinian.
Again, the big height and reach advantage stays on the outside.
Nice counter left there by Donaire. Another counter. And Darchinian sprawler. And Nonito more of it.
But his brother doesn't have. He's taller.
Scheduled for 12. IBF flyweight belt on the line. The challenger in the red, Nonito Donaire.
Against Oscar Andrade. Won the last 3 rounds dramatically to win that.
The Manchester Journal Inquirer here at the midway point of round 5.
Nonito Donaire working well. Oh, my.
Look out! Darchinian down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet. In terrible shape. It's all over. It's all over. Nonito Donaire has pulled off the monstrous upset in emphatic fashion.
And here it would come in dramatic fashion. Again, lunging in Darchinian as he has, not concerned about defense. you have to admire the courage of Darchinyan and the will. As hurt as he was, trying desperately to get up and continue. And clearly we know he was hurt. And